Hello and welcome to our channel NIIR Project Consultancy Services. If you are looking to start your own business, the toothpaste manufacturing may be an interesting avenue to consider. As with any startup business, it can be difficult to know where to begin. Well, you have come to the right place and you must watch the complete video with us. NPCS is a well-known technical consultancy that focuses on project reports compilation in this ever-changing market, and we have been following a strict system and procedure to ensure only top quality in accordance with our clients' expectations. Toothpaste might seem like an incredibly simple product, but for many people, it's the most essential of all cosmetic products. If you are considering starting your own business manufacturing toothpaste, you will want to be sure you have the expertise and experience necessary to make your product stand out from the competition and deliver satisfaction to your customers. This step-by-step guide will show you how to start a toothpaste business and ensure that you reach your goals as efficiently as possible. First, planning. One of the most important parts of starting any business is planning. This should include both short-term and long-term goals for your business. If you want to start a toothpaste business, it's best if you have at least some manufacturing experience. It's also very important that you understand exactly what your role will be in running your company, as well as how it can grow in size and revenue. Second, product development. No product is complete until it's been tested, perfect and brought to market. When thinking about how you want your toothpaste company to look, whether it's high-end or low-cost, have an idea of what kind of products you want. Third, market research. Toothpaste is a very stable business. You should survey your audience and think about ways to differentiate yourself from existing brands. You might want to write an exhaustive guide that compares your toothpaste with other products currently on store shelves. Fourth, manufacturing process. All toothpaste begin with oil. Natural oils are extracted from plants and animals, which is then refined and blended with other ingredients. It's also important to manufacture your product in a certain facility, ensuring that all employees follow high standards of hygiene, equipment maintenance, and quality control. Fifth, hire a consultant. If you are just getting started in toothpaste manufacturing business and don't know how to go about starting your own business, consider hiring an external consultant. It will cost some money upfront, but it can take much of that guesswork out of things. Entrepreneurs who have successfully navigated launching and growing businesses will be able to provide invaluable insights. Watch on for more tips on choosing a consultant. How NPCS can help you. NPCS can prepare project reports on any business idea you have. The project report includes all part of the business, from market analysis to confirming the availability of numerous necessities such as equipment, machinery, raw materials and financial projections. Engineers, project consultants and industrial consultancy businesses from all over the world have profited from the NPCS project report. NPCS also publishes technical, reference, self-employment and startup publications, a directory, company and industry database, and much more, all of which will be found on the official website. Thank you for watching our video. If you have enjoyed our video, please like it. and subscribe to our channel for more videos like it. Also click on the bell icon. Don't forget to comment us if you have liked our video. Please write to us what you are thinking about our videos and what videos you want to watch more about. Please visit to our website for more informations. And you can also reach us at. You can follow us on other social media platforms. Links are given below in the description. So see you again. Till then, goodbye.